Yeah, so hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually protect your funds, okay? How you're going to protect your investment on Stablefund. Because recently I've been getting information about how guys actually lost their funds, their investment to fraudsters, to hackers, and I believe you wouldn't want to find yourself in that state, okay? So you need to pay attention on the information I'll be giving you here on how you can protect your investment on Stablefund. Mind you, this is your hard-earned money, so you should take out your time to make sure that it's well protected, okay? So let's get started. First and foremost, you know when you signed up on Stablefund, okay, there was a six phrase word that was given to you, okay? Now, let me show you this six phrase word. You were expected to put in that six phrase word here. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? This phrase word, you are expected to keep this phrase word very, very safe, okay? First and foremost, I wouldn't want you to screenshot it or store it in your email box, okay? So you need to write this key phrase word down and store it where somebody else cannot be able to access it, because if somebody gain access to that phrase word, then automatically the person have access to your Stablefund account, okay? So make sure that this is phrase word is well protected, okay? And secondly, the other information, important information you need to take is to make sure that you are not using Yahoo Mail on your Stablefund. Please, I'm not trying to castigate or bring down Yahoo Mail here, but make sure you are not using Yahoo Mail. The reason being that Yahoo Mail can be easily hacked, okay? I understand and I know what I'm telling you, so don't use Yahoo Mail. Please make sure you are using Google Mail on your Stablefund account, because with Stablefund, with Google Mail, is very, very difficult for any hacker to actually gain access to your Stablefund account. And thirdly, when you log into your Stablefund account, okay, just come to your profile up here, okay, where it has your name, your picture up here. Just click on it, then you click on your profile. Okay, when you click on your profile, it's going to bring you to this interface. Scroll down to the end, okay, and you will see where it says enable two factors, okay. Ordinarily, if you log into your Stablefund, or if you sign up for Stablefund, this two-factor will not be enabled. You have to do it manually by yourself. So you have to come down here and click on this enable two factor, okay? Do you know the reason why you have to do that? So that if any money, if any request for withdrawal is made from your Stablefund account, there has to be an email. Let me quickly show you the kind of email. There have to be an email like this, okay? There have to be a withdrawal email that will come to your email box, to your Google. Remember, I'm still saying it, you have to use Gmail accounts. There has to be a confirmation, okay, email that will come to your Gmail account. So this OTP here, you have to copy this OTP and put into your withdrawal request before the transaction will be able to go through, okay? But if you don't turn on this two-factor, okay, authenticator here, then definitely you're not going to get this email, and hackers can easily get access to your Stablefund investment and they can steal your fund. There are other things I want you to pay attention to, okay? When you come up here, look up here, you see that the correct address, the correct website, okay, to Stablefund is https://stablefund. Look at the spelling very well, stablefund.app, okay? Now, there are other devices, other means where these hackers actually get to hack people's accounts, and it's through email, okay? They might send you email that they discover that your Stablefund account is having problem, you cannot withdraw, so they will give you a link that you should click on the link. Please don't click on any link they send to you. Always make sure that any email that you get is from updates@stablefund.app. Look at this very well. Updates. This is the only means that Stablefund will send you email, okay? Now, if I go to my email here, I'm going to show you the mail they sent me. You can see this is the mail they sent me, right? You can see this is the mail they sent me, and this mail actually came from this updates, okay? So make sure that any email you are getting from Stablefund, check the email address, make sure that it's updates@stablefund.app, okay? And also, this is the only Telegram channel that Stablefund actually operates. But these scammers, they devise a means of putting up a whole lot of different Telegram channel and group up there. So make sure that any Telegram group you are going to be joining is Stablefund Official. Okay, you can see Stablefund Official. There's no any other thing, no any other group except this. Okay, let it be Stablefund. This is the official channel of Stablefund. Okay, make sure you are joining this right Telegram channel. Okay, now let me show you some other fake and wrong websites that scammers or hackers can use to steal your fund. When you come up here, you can see https://stablefunds. Now you can see there's X right in front of the fund. If you don't pay very good attention to it, you might not really recognize that there is S in front of the D of the stable fund. Okay, you know, I made it capital letter so that it will be very, very obvious to you now that there's X here. But if they make it a small letter, you might not be able to know. Okay, you can see it's a small letter now. So you might not really know that there's X in front of the fund, and you go ahead and click it. Any information you put in there means that you've given your information, you're giving the total information of your stable fund investment to the hackers. Okay, so always make sure you pay attention to the website address. Okay, now look at the second website address that they might use to scam you or steal your investment. You see in front of the stable, there's X here. You can see the capital letter X here. Okay, so make sure there's no X in front of the stable. There's no X, it's just stable fund. Okay, so they might just make it in such a disguise like this that you will not pay attention to the X and they can use it to steal your fund. Okay, now these are the major information you need to know about how to protect and secure your fund on Stablefund. Okay, and these information, I don't want you to take them lightly, because if you take them lightly, it's going to cost you a whole lot. Okay, because I want to believe you have a whole lot of investment on Stablefund. Okay, and these are, if possible, you can even take a snapshot. Okay, you can screenshot these information I have here for you, or you can decide to write it down somewhere so that you always remember these are the website. This is the right website to log into. Now, this is the only email address where you can get information from Stablefund, where they can send you email. And this is the only Telegram channel where you can join, the only official Telegram channel of Stablefund, the official Telegram channel of Stablefund. Okay, and if you want to make inquiries, okay, make sure that you go to this right Stablefund Telegram group and make inquiries. So if you want to send them email, make sure you send them email on updates@stablefund.app. Okay, listen, if you join this Telegram group, you're going to get a whole lot of fake admin scammers trying to help you out in setting up your Stablefund account. Please don't answer any kind of DM that comes from all those hackers. Okay, if you do that, they're going to trick you into giving them information about your account, and they are going to steal your fund. Okay, okay, I want to believe that you actually got value from this short video. Okay, take this information, is very important, and your fund will be safe in Stablefund. Okay, now do take care of yourself. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, take care of yourself, and bye-bye.